Google Translate is a tool for translating from one language to another. Do you want to know what a word means? Do you want to wish your friend a happy birthday in Finnish? With Google Translate, you can translate words and phrases, for example, from your own language into Finnish, or from Finnish into your own language. You can type the word you want and see its translation. You can also speak the word and listen to the translation. Good morning.
صباح الخير.
In this tutorial, we will show you how to use the Google Translate tool. You can find Google Translate by typing Translate into the Google search on your mobile or tablet. You can also give voice guidance instead of typing. Translate. You can use the tool right away in this window or go to the tool's own page from this link. We'll now go to the tool's own page. By clicking Tunnista kieli, detect language, you can select the language you want to use. Here you can select the language you want to translate into. We want to translate into Finnish, which is already there. By clicking on the arrows between the languages, you can change the language you are translating from. On the left is the language you are translating from, and on the right is the language you are translating into. Enter the word or phrase you want to translate here. Here you can see the translation. You can listen to the translation from the speaker icon. Wheat flour. You can also speak the word or phrase you want by clicking on the microphone. To do this, let's try a translation from English into Finnish. Click the microphone. Allow the microphone to be used if prompted. Click on the blue Salli, Allow button. Click the microphone. Then speak the word or phrase you want to translate. Good morning.
Hyvää huomenta.
Note that translating phrases from Finnish does not always work very well. However, for words, it works just fine.
مرحبا، كيف حالكم؟
So now you can start translating words and short sentences.